I accidentally destroyed production database on first day of a job, and was told to leave. On top of this, I was told by the CTO that they need to get legal involved. How screwed am I? Today was my first day on the job as a junior software developer and was my first non-internship position after university. Unfortunately, I screwed up badly. I was basically given a document detailing how to set up my local development environment, which involves run a small script to create my own personal DB instance from some test data. After running the command, I was supposed to copy the database URL/password/username outputted by the command and configure my dev environment to point to that database. Unfortunately, instead of copying the values outputted by the tool, I instead for whatever reason used the values the document had. Unfortunately, apparently those values were actually for the production database. Why they are documented in the dev setup guide I have no idea. Then from my understanding that the tests add fake data, and clear existing data between test runs, which basically cleared all the data from the production database. Honestly, I had no idea what I did, and it wasn't about 30 or so minutes after did someone actually figure out what I did. While what I had done was sinking in. The CTO told me to leave and never come back. He also informed me that apparently legal would need to get involved due to severity of the data loss. I basically offered and pleaded to let me help in some way to redeem myself, and I was told that I completely fucked everything up. So I left. I kept an eye on Slack, and from what I can tell the backups were not restoring, and it seemed like the entire dev team was on full-on panic mode. I sent a Slack message to our CTO explaining my screw-up, only to have my Slack account immediately disabled not long after sending the message. I haven't heard from HR, or anything.